Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Clinton local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is a relocation that is more than 50 miles inside or outside of a state. Long distance travel requires and calls for complex preparations. We have a lot of expertise and experience to assist our clients with long distance relocations effectively. Our movers are meticulous when organizing your move, so you can rest assured knowing we have control of the entire process. We also have a sufficient number of relocation vehicles. Our trucks secure your belongings by securing them and preventing any harm. Our drivers are familiar with all highway regulations and adhere to them. Your products get to the desired location in one piece. Long-distance moves are more expensive than local moves. In Clinton, we provide the most satisfactory local relocation service. We are also an affordable relocation firm, offering prices at hourly rates for as low as $30 to $40. Our customer service is outstanding, and we are always available to meet your needs anytime you need us. Patronize us today to make your move a nice one. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Clinton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.